Here we are in Okeanna, got a very large horse farm. Beautiful setting. When you first pull off the street here, and the driveway goes back to the house, or you've got this nice little private drive heading back to the horse stables and the rest of the property. Here we are a little closer to the home. You can see that more of the trees and shrubbery and things like that are throughout the property. They look great. There's a two-car carport. Plenty of parking here next to the home. This is the dining room here, and it's nice and bright, cheery. We've got a couple big skylights there, in the loft area above. Very nice. Entry into your kitchen, stairwell, and all that brand new carpet and paint. Here's the hallway from the front area. Leads back into a den. Great little spot. Again, lots more recessed lighting. Cable hookup. And you continue down the hall. Here's a first floor bedroom. Lots of closet space. Got a lot of these big tall windows. Here we are leading into the dual-sided bathroom on the first floor from inside the first floor bedroom. You have toilet, vanity set up in this room, and then over here through the double doors you've got I guess the guest side with a sink, toilet, and a full shower. Here we are at the top of the stairs in the loft. You can see this is a good sized area. Nice windows, and a door leading out to the deck. Here we are in the master bedroom. Very big, very good size. Its own door to the bathroom. I believe the previous owners were using this as a master suite off the loft here. That was their private sitting area, and they had their own another little room at the back end that could be used as another bedroom down the hall down there, both with access to the bathroom up here. Here's the second floor bathroom. This is right outside the master. From here we can See a little bit of the immediate backyard. Also get a better look at the pond, which you can see through the trees here. There's a good sized pond with a dock through there, which you can see. There's your driveway leading out. It's very nice. Very scenic. Here we are standing on the back porch. This is the secluded view that you've got from back here. You can see there's the pond through that little tree line there. Got a walkway over to the driveway. Plenty of yard. It's all fenced in back here, so if you had some dogs, they'd have a secure place to play. Here we are inside of the barn. It's very nice horse stables. Got a tack room there, full-length tack room. You've got the area to put your hay up on. Above it, it's my understanding that there are automatic feeders inside the rooms. Here inside the tack room, this is used as a small office as well. Got a water spigot in here. Plenty of electric. Even has a telephone run out here. You can see the stalls are already set up. It's one of the automatic feeders. Another stall. This is a dual-sided stall for birthing. There's the stairs leading up to the hay loft area. Lots of lighting throughout. You can see it's run all the way across. Another set of doors here. Of course, it goes all the way around to the other side. This is absolutely beautiful out here. There's also a lot of woods in here. If you walk just out past the stables, got a nice creek line here running through. Very nice. This field here is the smaller of the fenced-in fields. All those woods all belong to this property. And there's the fence. You can see the fence over there. And that's not the edge of the property. That's just they keep the places fenced in for the animals. And there's another set of fields back, actually a couple more fields back there, and the farmer behind this place is leasing those out to grow corn.